Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my leftover burger and mushroom pasta. It's a really easy dish, but I had some leftovers and I'm going to show you what to do, okay? So the first thing you do, get all your leftovers out and put them on the bench. I've got some leftover burgers. They're actually a turkey burger. Okay, I've got that. That is leftover. I've also got a heap of leftover mushroom sauce. It's a mushroom sour cream type sauce that I've made up and I've used before. And going through the fridge, I found some cherry tomatoes that I actually had to use up. They were just starting to go that little bit wrinkly. Think a little bit more, and I'm trying to come up with an idea how to use this up. Right, I got it. Let's do it. Right, let's get our burgers. These are nice little chunky burgers. I'm just going to cut these in half, and into little chunks just like that. And they're really nice and cold. So if you want to eat them as they are now, they're going to be freezing cold and tough. If you try and heat them up, they're going to go even tougher. So I'm just going to cut these up and put these into a saucepan. In this case, I'm actually going to use my wok. Now, in my freezer, I always try and keep bacon. Yes, I buy bacon in bulk and I freeze it. There's nothing wrong with that at all. It tastes just as good. If you want it crunchy, you'll get it crunchy. If you want it soft, you can leave it soft. I'll just cut those up to nice little chunks like that, and I'm going to put all that straight in. Here is our our mushroom sauce, and I'm just going to add that straight in on top. You can't see what I'm doing yet because there's nothing to see. Right, we're just going to plonk everything on top into that wok. Alright, so I'm going to cut these little cherry tomatoes in half and just put them straight back into the container that they came in, and I'm going to save those off for a little bit later. I'm going to need some liquid and some sauce, so 2 400-gram cans of diced tomatoes. I'm going to put those into my little chippy chopper food processor. We're going to give that a blitz for 30, 40, 60 seconds until you like. Probably only takes you around about 30 seconds in all honesty. Right, go to the cupboard, get all your bits of pasta that you've got. Choose one that you want to cook, and if you don't know how to cook the pasta, well, you can see this is the back of the packet, and the instructions how to cook that is on the back of the packet. Right, Mrs. KP is going to cook up 3 cups of pasta that we've selected out of all of our bits of pasta that we've got in our cupboard. Right, as you can see, everything is still sitting in our wok. I have not turned the wok on. I have not done a thing. I'm just going to add in all that tomato puree that we've got. I'm going to add in probably the equivalent of around about 4, maybe 5 cloves of garlic, a small handful worth of Italian herbs. Yeah, just buy those, just dried Italian herbs, nothing wrong. A good dose of freshly ground black pepper. This particular dish can really handle a lot of pepper because we haven't really done anything pepper wise with anything else. Now, the bacon is going to give you salt, the burgers are going to give you salt, and the sauce is going to give you salt. So don't salt it until you really know you need it. So I've just brought that up to a nice heat, heated everything through, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. Stir that through just like that. And this dish does not take very long at all. I'm going to add in around about a cup's worth of frozen peas. That can go in. And I'm going to add in my little cherry tomato halves. Okay, just like that. If you don't know how many cherry tomatoes I used, rewind the video and count how many I had in the punnet. That's the best way I can describe it to you while I'm narrating this. Stir all of that through. Now, you might see it thicken up a little bit. Mrs. KP's done our pasta. She's cooked it. We're going to add a little bit of that pasta liquor in there, and it's going to loosen this sauce up just nicely, and it's going to add just the right amount of flavour to our sauce. As you can see, it's loosened up just a little bit as we speak. Right, we're going with a nice little spiral pasta. We're just going to put that in, stir that through just like that, and this is taking a total of around about 15, maybe 20 minutes. You can actually cook the pasta sauce and everything off at around about the same time that it takes to cook the actual pasta spirals itself. Right, I'm going to serve that up just like that. Good dusting of grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. That's a Pecorino. I love the funk of that. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. A real way to sort of use up your leftovers and save you a bit of money. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy. Thank you so much also for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. Love reading and I love responding to them. And also leave a question. I will answer it. Guaranteed. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to save some bucks and use what you've got to make a really cracking good meal just like this one, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll throw my leftover burger and mushroom pasta and I will catch you next time. Bye.